Have you ever wondered how big companies keep everything running so smoothly? Imagine a giant, complex machine with thousands of moving parts. From the computers on everyone's desks to the software they use and the requests they make, it all needs to be managed. This is where a powerful tool called ServiceNow comes into play. Think of it as the ultimate digital control center for a modern business. It's a platform designed to make work better for people. It takes all the complicated tasks, messy tasks, and manual tasks that happen behind the scenes and organizes them into simple workflows, smart workflows, and automated workflows. This guide is your very first step into understanding this incredible system. We're going to demystify ServiceNow for you piece by piece. Forget the confusing jargon and technical overload you might find elsewhere. My goal is to explain everything in plain English, just as if we were chatting over a cup of coffee. We'll start with the absolute basics, assuming you know nothing at all about the platform. By the end of this journey, you'll have a clear picture of what ServiceNow is, how it functions, and why it has become so essential in today's business landscape. This isn't just for tech gurus, it's for anyone curious about the future of work and how technology is shaping it for the better. Let's break down the mystery together. ServiceNow is often described as a platform of platforms, which sounds a bit grand, doesn't it? But what it really means is that it provides a single foundation to manage all sorts of business activities. It started with managing information technology services like fixing a broken laptop or granting access to a new software application. However, it has grown far beyond that. Now, it helps manage human resources, customer service, security, and even custom applications built by the company itself. It's like a digital Swiss Army knife for businesses, with a tool for almost every operational need. This guide is designed to be your friendly introduction to this powerful world. We won't be diving into complex code or overwhelming you with technical specifications. Instead, we'll focus on the what and the why. What does ServiceNow actually do for a company? Why is it considered a game changer by so many industry leaders around the globe? We'll explore its core purpose and the problems it solves in a way that's easy to grasp. So relax, get comfortable, and prepare to unlock the fundamentals of a technology that's quietly powering the operations of the world's most successful organizations. It's time to begin your journey. You might be thinking, this sounds interesting for big corporations, but why should I personally care about ServiceNow? That is an excellent question. In 2025 and beyond, understanding how modern businesses operate is a massive advantage no matter your career path. ServiceNow is at the heart of this operational transformation. Learning about it is like getting a backstage pass to see how successful companies are building their future. It's not just about IT anymore, it's about digital transformation. ServiceNow is one of the key engines driving that transformation, making it a crucial piece of knowledge for anyone in the professional world. Whether you're a student planning your career, a professional looking to upskill, or a business owner aiming for growth, ServiceNow knowledge is incredibly valuable. Companies are desperately seeking individuals who understand how to create efficient, automated workflows. By understanding ServiceNow, you're learning the language of modern business efficiency. This knowledge can open doors to a wide range of career opportunities in IT, project management, business analysis, operations. The demand for ServiceNow professionals is soaring, and it shows no signs of slowing down. Gaining a basic understanding now puts you ahead of the curve and makes you a more attractive candidate in the job market. Think about the everyday frustrations at work, waiting for days to get a simple request approved, filling out the same information on multiple different forms, trying to track down who is responsible for a specific task. These are the exact problems ServiceNow is built to solve. It creates a seamless experience for employees, customers, and partners by connecting different departments and automating processes. By learning about ServiceNow, you're not just learning about a software product, you're learning about a better way to work. You're discovering the principles of creating a smarter, faster, and more user-friendly work environment for everyone involved. Furthermore, the world is becoming more interconnected and automated every single day. Artificial intelligence, machine learning are no longer science fiction, they are practical tools used in business. ServiceNow is at the forefront of integrating these advanced technologies into daily operations. Understanding how it leverages AI to predict issues, automate solutions, and provide intelligent insights gives you a glimpse into the future of enterprise technology. So, caring about ServiceNow isn't just about a single platform, it's about understanding the direction the entire business world is heading, and preparing yourself for the opportunities that lie ahead in this new digital era. So, what exactly will you learn on this journey with us? We've structured this guide to take you from a complete beginner to someone who can confidently talk about ServiceNow's role and value. In the sections that follow, we'll start by digging into the core identity of the platform. We'll answer the fundamental question, what is ServiceNow? We'll explore its history, from a simple idea to a global powerhouse. You'll understand its primary mission: manage and digitize the services that form an organization's backbone, making workflow more logically. Next, we'll move from the what to the how. We'll open up the hood and look at ServiceNow's key features. Focus: IT Service Management, ITSM, where ServiceNow first made its name. We'll show principles in action. Incident management: what happens when something breaks. Problem management: finding root causes. Change management: updates without chaos. We'll also show how these ideas create digital workflows across the business. Then, advanced capabilities: automation, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Automate repetitive tasks to free human time. Predict issues before they happen. Offer smart recommendations. Provide an intelligent conversational help experience. See integrations. ServiceNow as a central hub. Finally, real-world use cases and practical examples. Theory is great, but real results stick. Stories from industries, retail, finance, healthcare. A company cut IT ticket resolution from days to hours. Another streamlined employee onboarding for a great day one experience. These examples show ServiceNow's real impact and why it's transformative. Let's start with the most fundamental question: what is ServiceNow? At its very core, ServiceNow is a cloud-based software platform that helps companies manage their digital workflows. That might sound a bit abstract, so let's use a simpler analogy. Imagine a very busy restaurant. You have waiters taking orders, chefs cooking the food, staff cleaning tables, and a manager overseeing everything. For the restaurant to run smoothly, all these activities need to be perfectly coordinated. ServiceNow acts like the ultimate digital manager for a business, ensuring every task, request, and process flows smoothly from one person to the next, just like a well-run restaurant kitchen. Instead of food orders, a business deals with service requests. An employee might need a new laptop, a customer might report a problem with a product, or a new hire might need access to 10 different software systems. Before platforms like ServiceNow, managing these requests was often a chaotic mess of emails, spreadsheets, and phone calls. Things would get lost, forgotten, or endlessly delayed. ServiceNow provides a single, centralized system where all these requests can be created, tracked, managed, and resolved in an organized and efficient manner. It brings order to the chaos of daily business operations by creating clear, automated pathways for work to get done. This system is built on the idea of services. Everything that one department provides to another or to a customer can be defined as a service. For example, the IT department provides the Fix My Computer service. The Human Resources department provides the Onboard New Employee service. ServiceNow allows a company to create a digital catalog of all these services, much like an online shopping website. An employee can simply go to the portal, find the service they need, fill out a simple form, and submit their request. The platform then automatically routes the request to the right team and tracks its progress until it's complete, keeping everyone informed along the way. So in essence, ServiceNow is not just a piece of software. It's a new way of thinking about how work gets done inside an organization. It's about structuring all the internal processes as a set of well-defined services that can be easily requested and delivered. This approach helps eliminate confusion, reduce manual effort, and dramatically increase the speed and efficiency of the entire business. It transforms messy, unstructured work into streamlined digital workflows, making life easier for employees and allowing the company to operate on a much more professional and scalable level. It's the digital backbone for the modern enterprise. Imagine for a moment a massive retail corporation with thousands of stores scattered all across the country. Each one is just buzzing with activity. Point-of-sale systems, inventory scanners, Wi-Fi networks, dozens of employees all relying on this tech to get their jobs done. But when something breaks, maybe a cash register freezes up, or a price scanner just stops working. That immediately impacts serving customers and making sales. Now, before ServiceNow, store managers would call a generic help desk and wait on hold. Then try to explain the issue to someone unfamiliar with their store. This caused long delays and a lot of frustration. So the retailer reinvented support using ServiceNow. They built a simple, mobile-friendly service portal for store employees. Store associates open an app on their handheld device and scan a barcode or QR on the broken equipment. The app lets them report the problem in seconds. The platform automatically knows the store, the device, and technical details. A rich, detailed incident ticket is created. No phone explanations needed. Behind the scenes, ServiceNow's automation engine starts working. Rules route the ticket to the correct local or regional support team. For common issues, a virtual agent pops up and walks the employee through troubleshooting. Many problems get fixed instantly without a technician. If a technician is required, dispatch is managed in-platform, so managers know who's coming and when. This brought new order and efficiency to store support operations. The results were transformative. Average time to resolve in-store tech issues was slashed by over 60%. That means less downtime for critical equipment, better customer service, protected sales. More importantly, the daily experience for hundreds of thousands of employees improved. They felt empowered by a fast, easy support system designed for them. By putting ServiceNow's principles into action, the retailer turned an operational headache into a streamlined process that delivered a real competitive edge. Now, let's shift gears to a totally different industry, a large global financial institution. For a bank, security and regulatory compliance aren't just important, they're absolutely essential. A single security breach could mean catastrophic financial losses and damage their reputation forever. Banks are constantly under attack from security threats. They also have to deal with a really complex web of government regulations. They rely on dozens of different security tools, firewalls, threat detection systems, vulnerability scanners. All of those tools generate thousands of alerts every single day. The real challenge? Sorting through this mountain of noise to find the truly critical threats that need immediate attention. So this bank turned to ServiceNow's Security Operations, or SecOps, as its central command center. Using the integration hub, they connected all of their separate security tools into the ServiceNow platform. Instead of logging into 20 different systems, all alerts now flow into one place. Now intelligence gets to work, automatically linking related alerts from different tools, adding business context, like which server supports a critical trading app, and comparing everything against a database of known threats. That filters out the noise and low-level alerts automatically. Smart prioritization was a total game changer. The platform automatically creates high-priority security incidents for the threats that really matter, like evidence of a possible malware infection on a key server. Then it launches an automated workflow, or playbook, for that threat. The playbook can automatically quarantine the affected machine from the network to stop spread, and it assigns tasks to the security analyst for investigation and remediation. That structured, automated response ensures critical threats are handled quickly and consistently, matching the bank's procedures. After rolling out ServiceNow SecOps, the bank cut median time to identify and contain critical threats from days to just hours. Every action is tracked, building a perfect audit trail for regulatory compliance. When auditors arrived, the bank easily showed detailed reports proving they followed protocol. This made their security much stronger against real attackers, and it streamlined compliance, saving thousands of hours of manual work and giving leadership real peace of mind. We have covered a tremendous amount of ground together on this journey. We started with the simple question, what is ServiceNow? And unraveled the mystery piece by piece. You've learned about its origins, Fred Luddy's vision for a simpler cloud-based platform, to the global powerhouse it is today. We explored its core mission, make the world of work better for people, a mission that drives every feature and function. This is more than just software, it's a new philosophy for how modern businesses should operate, transforming complex, frustrating processes into simple, intelligent, automated digital workflows that benefit everyone involved. We then took a deep dive into the heart of the platform, exploring the foundational principles of IT service management, incident management, problem management, change management. These core concepts provide the blueprint for digitizing processes across every department, human resources, customer service, and beyond. Next, we ventured into the world of advanced capabilities, automation, artificial intelligence, now intelligence, predictive intelligence, virtual agents, integration hub. Finally, we brought all this theory to life with real-world examples. A retail giant transformed its store support, a global bank fortified its security, a hospital improved patient care, and a startup scaled for growth. You have successfully completed this beginner's guide. You now have a solid foundation and can speak confidently about what ServiceNow is, what it does, and why it is so incredibly important in today's digital world. But this is not the end of your learning, it is only the beginning. You have taken the first and most important step by building this foundational knowledge. You now understand the landscape and speak the language of modern digital transformation. But there is so much more to discover. The world of ServiceNow is vast and constantly evolving, with new applications and capabilities being released all the time. The concepts we've discussed today are the tip of the iceberg. Diving deeper into them can unlock incredible career opportunities and provide you with a skill set that is in extremely high demand across every industry around the globe. This is where your journey can truly accelerate. If you are serious about advancing your skills and becoming a true expert in the future of work, I want to invite you to take the next step. Our community is designed for people just like you who want to go beyond the basics. As a member, you will gain exclusive access to a wealth of resources that are not available anywhere else. In-depth tutorials, hands-on labs, detailed case studies. Becoming a member means you are joining a vibrant community of learners, practitioners, and experts. You will be able to ask questions, share your progress, and network with professionals who are building amazing things on the ServiceNow platform every single day. We host exclusive live Quanda sessions with seasoned architects and developers, giving you the chance to get your most pressing questions answered by the best in the business. This is your chance to move from passively learning about ServiceNow to actively participating in the ecosystem and building your professional network. Don't let the momentum stop here. You have a unique opportunity to build on the knowledge you've gained today and turn it into a powerful asset for your career. The future of business is being built on platforms like ServiceNow, and the people who understand how to leverage them will be the leaders of tomorrow. Click the link in the description below to become a member of our exclusive community. Invest in yourself, unlock your potential, and continue your journey to mastering the platform that is making the world of work better for people. We are excited to see you on the inside.